Hello there guys, it's CoolFox over here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing and review of the Echobox Ti22BT earbuds. So starting off with the unboxing, on the front here we have a picture of the earbuds themselves with the Echobox logo. On the side we have some specifications listed, which include that this has Bluetooth version 4.1 with aptX, a titanium housing, a driver size of 6mm in each earbud, an in-ear style, passive noise isolation, a frequency response of 20Hz to 20 kHz, an impedance of 16 ohms, and a sensitivity of around 96 decibels, so these do get pretty loud. Accessories include 3 pairs of standard ear tips, 2 comply ear tips, and also 3 comfort ear fins, so basically ear hooks. There's also a charging cable and also a cloth carrying bag. On the back you have some information on the company itself, and it basically states that Echobox wanted to create the world's greatest earphones. It also states that the Ti22BT includes their class noise isolating comply tips and also their secure fit technology, which these actually securely fit in your ear pretty well. Here it also states that these are water resistant, have a titanium construction, up to 8 hours of playtime, which we will talk about later on, a reception of up to 100 feet, which we'll also talk about later on, and magnetic housings, which basically means that the ear tips magnetize and stick together. Opening up the box, you will find a picture inside, and you will also find the earbuds inside of the plastic casing. Now these ear tips were bundled a lot better before, but I did unbox this prior to this video, so obviously these are not how you will get them. Opening up the plastic piece, you will find the earbuds, and taking those out, here you can see the piece of plastic that held the wire together. You will also find another box, and underneath you'll find a little divider, a manual, and also a warranty card. So the warranty card is pretty self-explanatory. Opening it up, you will find the information you will need to fill just to get the warranty. And this will give you an extended 1-year warranty, so you should keep this obviously, considering that 1 year is pretty good. So the manual inside, you will find all of the necessary instructions to start off with these earbuds. And basically the earbuds are pretty self-explanatory, so these are only for people who bought wireless earbuds for the first time. Now moving on to the box, if you open it up, you will find the case for the earbuds themselves, with some more accessories inside. A small card here which basically states that if you love it, share it. So obviously for some more exposure to the company itself. You will also find the charging cable and another piece of paper here which has an exclusive offer. So this is a small special offer on the comply ear tips, which are basically another set for your earbuds that you can use. So the shared card is pretty self-explanatory. Here you've got some emails, and here you've also got some pages that you might need to contact them or tell them how you feel about the earbuds themselves. So taking a look at the bag, inside you'll find some more accessories such as the comply ear tips, some other comply ear tips, and then the regular fit ear tips. Here you've also got this set of ear hooks, and apart from that, inside you can see that this can then be used for the earbuds themselves to put inside. So here you've got 2 pairs of the same ear tips, and basically these are both comply ear tips, which I will talk about a bit later on in the video. This is the set of ear hooks, and as you can see, these are just some normal sets of different sizes from the ear hooks present on the earbuds themselves already. And the ear tips are the extra 4, which are of different size obviously from the ones already present on the earbuds. So the micro USB cable included is actually very nicely made, and this is also pretty long, which is great to see. Here you've also got the Echobox logo on the charging cable itself, which is also a nice addition and shows you that they did care to put some branding on the charging cable as well. And now taking a look at the earbuds themselves, taking them out of the plastic housing, you can see that they have a pretty good looking design. So on the back you've got the magnetic attachment, so you can wear this like a necklace when not in use. And basically you've also got the Echobox logo on the back of the earbud. Apart from that, you have the ear tips here, which are very soft and fit very well inside of your ear. And then you've also got the ear hook, which is also very comfortable. You've also got some indications here on what side the ear hooks go on, and also on the earbuds themselves you've got indications on which side of your ear these go on. Apart from that, the cable itself is very nice and well made, and this is also very robust. And then you've also got the center console, and here you've basically got the on-off button, volume up and volume down buttons, and also the skip track if you hold them down. This right here is a little LED, which when you turn on the earphones will light up, and when connected to your phone it will turn off. When you turn off the earbuds, it will light up again with a different color, indicating that it has turned off. Then you've also got the charging port here, which is obviously micro USB, like the charging cable included. Okay, so to put on the Comply ear tips, all you need to do is open up the bag, take out the ear tips, then take off the ear tips from the earbuds themselves, then grab the Comply ones, and they will fit right in. Now I actually prefer the original ear tips since sound from these ear tips actually comes out better than these. I have been testing them out for around 30 minutes, trying on the Comply ear tips against the normal ear tips, and for some reason sound from the normal ear tips came out better, and overall the comfort is pretty much the same, although with the Comply ear tips they will be a bit more comfortable. That is why Comply ear tips are great to have just for comfort, but these normal ear tips I think make the sound a bit better. Now I sadly could not compare these to any other high-end earbuds at the same price range, since these are the only earbuds that actually cost me around £100. The next earbuds I had were these Karud earbuds, which are actually very good and lasted me for a really long time. Now I will be replacing them with these, and these are actually wired. I did test also some other earbuds which were wireless, which have the same sound quality as these Karud ones. And basically the sound quality is obviously no match. The Echobox earbuds are a lot better. Obviously these are a lot more expensive too, so obviously the sound quality should be a lot better than these. Comparing the sound quality for the price, I think the Echobox deliver about 3 times better audio quality than these ones, which makes them pretty worthwhile for the price, but don't make these equivalent to a £100 budget. Now obviously you need to take into consideration also the comfort, and also you need to take into consideration the rule of diminishing returns. The more you pay, the better the sound quality, but the higher you get, the sound quality will become pretty close to each other. So buying earbuds worth £100 and buying earbuds worth £200 for example will virtually have the same sound quality. So comparing these, the Echobox are still a very worthwhile option, but sadly I could not compare these to something like the OnePlus Bullet earbuds, which would have been a better competitor since those are also wireless and also come at a bit of a lower price of £70. But still overall I think these are a very worthwhile purchase, and I would recommend these to anyone wanting to buy very comfortable earbuds with great build quality. As written on the box, the construction should be made out of titanium, and nonetheless it is very sturdy even if it is not titanium. And the magnetic feature here is present on cheaper earbuds as well, but it's nice to see on these earbuds too. Apart from that, the cable is very well built and very sturdy, so it will not break, and the center console here is also very well built. As for range, I did get 60 feet away from my phone, which is very respectable, and these were still pumping out volume with no distortion or lag whatsoever. However, if I did turn away or go behind something, the connection will obviously start to degrade, but that is to be expected since objects in front of the connection itself will be an obstacle for the Bluetooth connection. But nonetheless, sound quality still sounded very well. High volumes also do not distort these, which is great to see, and at this price this is a must. So if you want to pump out loud, high quality music, these earphones are a great option for you. As for sound isolation, these are actually pretty good, but the Comply ear tips will be a lot more sound isolating. Now this is to be expected since the Comply ones can fit in your ear perfectly, since they get mushed to the shape of your ear canal. The regular ones still offer sound isolation, which is great to see. So I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. If you would like to buy these or check out the Amazon page for these, you can click on the link below, and I would really appreciate it since I am an Amazon UK affiliate. This was CoolFox and I'm out. Peace.